Alaga ko, naglalaro sa putik. Ayan. Ew! It's yucky! Ew! Yucky, yucky! Look how he play. See that? He's happy on that mud. Yucks! Pag yan na ano sa likod. Happy? Happy in that mud? It's called mud. Ew. Ew. Parang nasa probinsya lang eh, oh. Saan ka pa? Masaya siya sa laro niya na yan. Hayaan natin siya. Ew. Nandito kami sa park. Ayan. Nasa park kami. At sa tuwing pumupunta kami dito, dito yung dinediretso niya. Ew. Uh-oh, don't give it to me. That's dirty. Uh-oh, may lamok. There's a mosquito, Austin. Oh no, you're very dirty now. Look at you. Let's go the other way. The other part. Dito lang yung gusto niyang laruan. Ew. Dirty. Yucky. What's that? What do you have? Ew. Get away in the mud.